You can convert an MKV file to MP4 without the use of any software, so let's see why, when, and how you can do it. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. MKV, Matroska Video, and MP4, MPEG-4 Part 14 are popular video file container formats, each with unique strength. MKV is highly flexible, supporting a wide range of video, audio, and subtitle formats, making it ideal for high-quality video content with multiple audio tracks and subtitles. However, it lacks universal compatibility, requiring specific players like VLC. MP4, on the other hand, is widely compatible across almost all devices and platforms thanks to its efficient compression that maintains good quality with smaller file sizes. MP4 is perfect for streaming, sharing due to its broad support, while MKV is preferred for archiving and playback of complex, high-quality multimedia files. Since they're both container formats, they can contain the same codecs, bitrate, color profile, etc. It's like the same product sold under a different brand. Because of this, you can easily change the format name between the two. So to convert MKV to MP4 without any software, follow these steps. Select the file and right-click on it. Then click on Rename. On Mac, simply just click on the file and press Enter. Then change MKV to MP4 and then hit Enter again. On Mac, you'll be asked if you want to use MKV or MP4. Obviously choose MP4. And that's it. You've just converted MKV to MP4 without additional tools. For this to work, the product inside needs to be compatible with both formats. If your MKV file contains video, audio, and subtitle data that an MP4 can't handle, the file might become unopenable. To ensure that your MP4 file will be fully functional, you need to use a converter tool. And I recommend the Wondershare UniConverter as it's one of the best and most powerful converters available. So download UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com and then install it and then open it up. Then click on the converter tool from the home interface. Now the converter tool supports over 1,000 file formats and can handle batch conversions. You can convert various file types within a single batch, but for now we'll focus on converting MKV files to MP4. So import your MKV files and then set up the format to MP4 for all of the files on the list down here. Then choose an output folder and then click on Start All. Your files will be converted to MP4 in no time. Now this method is just as easy as the other one, the no software method, but with the assurance that your MP4 files will be fully openable. So this is the way I would ultimately recommend, also because you can save up a lot of time by batch converting MKV files into MP4. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comment section if you need help converting a specific file type. Otherwise, I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.